Hey everyone, welcome back to Edgeverse. Today, we're diving into a leaked Amazon document that's got everyone talking. Imagine scrolling through your Amazon app, adding items to your cart, and hitting that one-click buy button. But behind the scenes, in those massive warehouses, a revolution is brewing. One that could change everything from how your package gets to your door to the future of millions of jobs. It's all about their plan to automate 75% of their operations by 2033, potentially wiping out or avoiding 600,000 jobs in the US alone. Sounds wild, right? Stick around as we break it down, exploring what it means for workers, the economy, and society. First off, let's set the stage. Amazon isn't just an online store anymore. It's a tech giant pushing automation boundaries for years. Back in 2012, they snapped up Kiva Systems for $775 million. Those little orange robots started zooming around warehouses, bringing shelves right to workers. Fast forward to today, and Amazon's got a whole arsenal. Proteus bots hauling heavy stuff, Cardinal Arms lifting packages, and Sparrow, this AI-powered wizard that can grab and sort millions of different items with its fancy grippers. It's like watching sci-fi come to life. But automation in warehouses isn't new. It's been evolving for over a century. Think early forklifts, then barcodes and computer systems in the 70s, and now smart, flexible robots that can dodge obstacles and work alongside humans. Amazon's just taking it to the next level, turning warehouses into high-tech hives. Now, why does this matter? Economists have been debating this forever. Automation boosts productivity. Machines do the grunt work faster and cheaper, which could mean lower prices for us consumers. But on the flip side, it displaces tasks, especially routine ones like picking and packing. Guys like Darren Acemoglu warn that if tech replaces jobs without creating enough new ones, we end up with more inequality. It's called skill-biased technical change, how robots favor high-skilled folks like engineers while squeezing out entry-level workers. Have you ever thought about that? What happens when a company as big as Amazon flips the switch? All right, let's zoom in on this leaked plan. Reports from The Verge and the New York Times dropped the bombshell late last year. The document spells out Amazon's goal: automate 75% of tasks by 2033. That doesn't mean empty warehouses, just that machines handle three-quarters of the picking, sorting, and shipping. The payoff? A whopping $12.6 billion in savings from 2025 to 2027 and 30 cents cheaper per shipped item. Multiply that by billions of packages, and boom, Amazon gets even more unstoppable. But here's the human side. Up to 600,000 US jobs could vanish or never get created. Not all at once, mind you. With Amazon's crazy high turnover, over 100% in some spots, they could just stop hiring as people leave. Sneaky, right? And by 2027, they're eyeing avoiding 160,000 hires alone. Technologically, it's all about building a smart ecosystem. Advanced bots for moving goods, robotic arms that can handle weird-shaped items without dropping them, and a central AI brain orchestrating everything, like traffic control for thousands of robots. No more collisions, predictive maintenance, the works. Why push so hard? Amazon wants to shield itself from labor shortages, union pushes, and rising wages. Robots don't strike or need breaks. They run 24/7. Plus, faster ops mean quicker deliveries, more data for optimization, and even safer workplaces by taking over the heavy lifting. Amazon's been slammed for injuries, so they frame this as a win for workers. Oh, and get this, the document tells execs to call them cobots instead of robots. Collaborative bots, sounding all friendly and helpful. It's PR gold. We're not replacing you. We're teaming up. Avoid words like AI that scare people. Smart move to dodge backlash, but it shows they know this could blow up. So what might actually happen? The future's not set in stone. Tech glitches, regulations, or even public outcry could change everything. Let's break down 4 plausible scenarios, each with a likelihood score based on expert analysis. First up, the gradual transition at 40% plausibility. This is the base case, slow and steady. From 2025 to 2030, they roll out bots in easy spots like sorting heavy stuff, testing in new warehouses. By 2028, it ramps up in big cities where labor's pricey. Jobs, mostly avoided through growth and quits, not big layoffs. We see a shift, Fewer packers, more tech maintainers. Scenario 2. Rapid automation, 25% chance. Picture a breakthrough in AI grasping tech. Amazon goes all in, flooding warehouses with bots by 2029. This turns them into a net job destroyer fast. Layoffs, consolidations, the works. Ripples hit competitors like Walmart, sparking an automation arms race. Politically, massive backlash. Think robot tax debates and protests. Third, slower adoption, 20% plausibility. Roadblocks galore. Robots flop on tricky items, bugs crash systems, or regs kick in like mandatory human oversight. Unions and communities push back hard. Result? Amazon stays a big employer. Headcount grows slowly. They pivot PR to job creator mode. Last, mixed adoption with compensation, just 15% likely, but the most hopeful. Automation happens, but Amazon invests big in people, expanding retraining like their career choice program, funding community jobs, partnering on policies. Displaced workers get paths to better gigs, inequality eases. It's ethical gold, but pricey. Does it fit their profit-first vibe? Probably not, but wouldn't it be nice? No matter the path, the implications are huge. Economically, Amazon wins big, more profits, wider moat, lower prices for us. But for workers, it's a gut punch to low-skill jobs, pushing down wages and widening the gap between tech pros and everyone else. Broader economy? Productivity soars, but if gains just go to shareholders, we get more inequality and weaker demand. Socially, it's scary. These jobs are lifelines in rural spots. Lose them, and towns turn into ghost zones like old rust belts. Ethically, does Amazon owe its workers a smooth ride after building an empire on their backs? Or is it government's job? What do you think? Should companies like this step up? Or is it every worker for themselves? Policy-wise, we need action. Beef up safety nets with wage insurance or universal basics. Pump money into retraining. Maybe tax robots to fund transitions. And keep antitrust sharp so one company doesn't hog all the gains. Wrapping this up, folks, Amazon's plan isn't just corporate strategy. It's a preview of our automated future. The gradual path seems most likely, but whatever happens, it's on us, companies, governments, society, to make it fair. We've got the tech for amazing things. Now let's ensure no one gets left behind. If this got you thinking, drop a comment. Which scenario do you see playing out? Subscribe for more deep dives on tech and the future of work. We drop new vids every week. Hit the bell, share with a friend, and let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching. See you next time.